Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a progress bar in Notion. For this example, I'll use Endify. So come to endify.co, go ahead and log in, right? And here you will find different widgets. Okay, you can find different progress bars. So what I'll do, I'll show an example with the life progress bar. Click on create widget. It doesn't matter really what you name it. So let's just name it progress bar and then click on continue. Now this one is for how long you expect to live. All right, so first put in your birth date. So let's say my birth date is right here. Well, of course you start with the month, right? So I'll put that in. There we go. We need to add the forward slashes right here. All right. So that is my birthday. How many years do you expect to live? Let's say expect to live till 75. Right? Which bars would you like to show? Let's say you only want the life bar to show. You can go ahead and toggle everything else off. And here, it will show you what % of your life you already lived. Okay? And the way you would like your numbers to be represented. So I'm okay with decimal to 2 points. That is okay. Now that would change. The first day of the week, we'll keep it at Monday. Now here you can change your theme colors. Let's say we want this. You can go ahead and select that. I'll go ahead and update, okay? You can also choose your background color if you would like. And if you want, you can toggle this one off if you don't want to show the customize button, right? Or the hover menu. But for now, what I'll do, guys, is I'll just show you how to use this. So just copy this, okay? Click on this clipboard. So you're copying the link, and then you come here and you do /embed. Click on this, paste in this URL, and then just click on embed link. Okay? And now we will have our progress bar. Of course, you can easily customize this. You can resize it as you please. Okay? But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple.